Hi, I'm Lauren Keenan. I'm an interior stylist and I want to tell you what it's like to work with me on your home. There are lots of reasons why you might be thinking about hiring a stylist like me. You might just be time poor, you're really busy with general life and family and work, or maybe you lack the confidence to make the decisions about how to create a gorgeous home for you and your family. But whatever your reasons, hiring me as your stylist is a really fun and rewarding experience. So you might be wondering, how does it all work? Well, if you're based in Sydney, like I am, then it's best if I can come out to your home and we can meet face to face and talk about what you're hoping to do. We can have a chat about your budget, I can look at the space, you can talk me through styles that you like or don't like, colours that you love or are maybe hoping to avoid, and I can also take all my measurements and lots of photos too, so that when I get back to the design studio, I've got everything I need to start putting things together for you. After that, I'll take a couple of days to pull together a quote for your project. The good news is it won't cost the earth. And I'll keep you updated on costs as we move throughout the project. I'll search far and wide to find some amazing pieces for your home, including furniture, accessories, artworks, even things like plants and pots. And then comes the fun part for you. I'll put together a series of mood boards so you can see how all the pieces I've selected work together in your space. I'll also provide you with a really comprehensive shopping guide so you know where things are coming from and how much they all cost. And if you'd like to access some amazing trade discounts, I can make the purchases on your behalf. And it's also a great option if you don't like shopping or it stresses you out a bit, I can take all the hard work out of it for you. And the icing on the cake is that I can come back to your home and style it up with all your new pieces. It'll look like something out of a magazine, just you wait. And for those of you not located in Sydney, the process is largely the same, except we'll be communicating via email, FaceTime and Skype. And depending on where you're located, I may still be able to travel to you because I do love to build up my frequent flyer points. So I hope that gives you a little bit of insight into what it's like to work with me as your stylist. It really is a lot of fun. I love it. I know you'd love it too. So if you're ready to get started on a project or you've just got some questions for me, you can go to my website, laurenkeenan.com.au. I hope we can work together soon to create your dream home for you and your lifestyle.